Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting power and connections under control. First, charge the case to roughly 50% so resets don't fail. Once done, take the earbuds out and turn them off if they are active. Place both buds into the case, then close the lid and wait about 5 seconds. This ensures the case and earbuds register a fresh state. This step prevents mid-reset power loss and primes the internal electronics so the next actions reliably force a factory reset. With the lid open, you'll trigger the actual reset. Press and hold both touch controls on the left and right earbuds at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Don't release early. You should see the earbuds LEDs flash or change color. This visual confirms the factory reset command was received. Hold steady because the earbuds need consistent input to clear paired device memory. Releasing too soon may only reboot them instead of wiping stored Bluetooth links. After the reset completes, close the case and wait about 10 seconds, then reopen to force pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth and select JBL Vibe Beam from the list. This reestablishes a fresh connection free of old conflicts. If pairing fails, try the reset sequence once more and also clear your device's Bluetooth cache or remove the prior JBL entry. This removes stale profiles that can block a new pairing, ensuring clean repairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.